Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the MEETION Ergonomic wireless keyboard and mouse combo, also known as the Director C set. If you're someone who spends long hours at a computer, you know how crucial ergonomics are. This combo aims to address those concerns with its split keyboard design and vertical mouse. Let's start with the keyboard. The split design is the first thing you'll notice. It's designed to allow your hands to rest at a more natural angle, reducing strain on your wrists and forearms. It takes a little getting used to, especially if you're a touch typist, but the potential benefits for long-term comfort are significant. The keys themselves have a slight concave curve, which MEETION says conforms to the natural shape of your fingers. This, combined with the slight angle of each key, is intended to promote a more natural typing motion. The keyboard also features a generously sized, pillowed wrist rest. It's made of a soft, non-slip material that provides good support and helps to keep your wrists in a neutral position. This is a welcome addition, as it further reduces the risk of developing musculoskeletal issues. The keyboard is full-sized, so you're not sacrificing any functionality for the ergonomic design. Keep in mind that the USB-C port on the keyboard is for the adapter and needs to be plugged into the USB-A receiver to work. Now, let's move on to the mouse. The vertical design is definitely eye-catching. Instead of gripping the mouse horizontally, you hold it in a more upright position, which is intended to reduce pronation of the forearm. Like the keyboard, this takes some adjustment, but it can be a game changer for those who experience wrist pain. The mouse has adjustable DPI settings, 800, 1200, 1600, and 2400, so you can customize the sensitivity to your liking. It also features a silent switch, which is great if you're working in a quiet environment, and a side-scrolling wheel, which is a nice touch for navigating large documents or spreadsheets. The mouse and keyboard share a single USB-A receiver, which helps to keep your desk clutter-free. Overall, the MEETION Ergonomic wireless keyboard and mouse combo is a solid option for anyone looking to improve their ergonomics. The split keyboard and vertical mouse designs may take some getting used to, but the potential benefits for comfort and long-term health are well worth the effort. The inclusion of a pillowed wrist rest and adjustable DPI settings on the mouse are also nice touches. If you're experiencing wrist pain or discomfort from prolonged computer use, this combo is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.